Today, we're counting down the best dash cams that can actually protect you on the road. Most people waste money buying the wrong one and only realize it after an accident. I've tested a bunch of these. And trust me, not all 4K dash cams are equal. Some miss license plates at night. Others fail when you need them most. That's why I've handpicked the best options that deliver real performance, not just marketing hype. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check them out. Let's get started. Number 5. Best BOTSLAB G300 Plus 4K Dual Dash Cam, 2026 upgraded. If you want strong performance without spending too much, this one surprised me. The BOTSLAB G300 Plus gives you true 4K front recording and 1080p at the rear. In real use, the clarity is solid. I could read license plates even at a distance during the day. At night, the STARVIS 2 sensor makes a big difference. It keeps colors natural and reduces that grainy look many cheaper cams have. The voice control is a nice touch. You can save clips without touching the device. That feels safer while driving. Setup is simple. An included 64GB card means you can start right away. Now, it's not perfect. The app can feel a bit slow sometimes. And the rear camera quality, while good, is not as sharp as the front. Still, for the price, this is a very balanced option. It gives you real value without cutting the features you actually need. Number 4. Best VIOFO A2 29 Pro 4K HDR Dash Cam. This one is for people who want top-level video quality. The VIOFO A2 29 Pro feels more premium right away. It uses dual STARVIS 2 sensors, and you can see the difference. The front records in 4K, and the rear goes up to 2K. That extra detail really helps, especially when reviewing footage. The 5 GHz Wi-Fi makes file transfers faster. That's something I didn't think I needed, but once I use it, I didn't want to go back. Voice control works smoothly, and the GPS tracking is accurate. For US drivers, especially rideshare or long-distance commuters, this level of clarity can be very helpful. It gives extra confidence when dealing with incidents or disputes. The downside is the price. It's clearly more expensive than budget options. Also, installation takes a bit more time if you want a clean setup. But overall, this is a high-performance dash cam. If video quality is your top priority, this one delivers in a big way. Number 3. Best Premium Performance Dash Cam. Stepping up. This one is where things start to feel truly high-end. If you drive a lot at night or in busy traffic, this upgrade makes sense. The video quality is sharper and motion blur is much lower. I noticed better plate capture, even when cars were moving fast. That's something cheaper dash cams struggle with. It also handles lighting changes really well. Bright sun, dark roads. It adjusts fast. The overall experience feels smoother and more reliable. Features like faster Wi-Fi and improved app control save time when you need to review clips quickly. That said, it does cost more, so it's not for everyone. But if you want fewer compromises and better clarity, this is a strong choice. Number 2. Best Reliable Dash Cam for Daily Use. This one is built for people who just want something that works every day without stress. It may not have the absolute highest resolution, but it is very consistent. In real driving, that matters more than specs. I liked how stable the recording was. No random glitches. The parking mode is also very useful, especially if you park outside often. For US users, this is great in busy parking lots or city streets. Installation is simple, and the controls are easy to learn. You don't need to mess around with settings much. It just works. The only downside is that it lacks some premium features, but for daily driving and peace of mind, it does the job very well. Number 1. Best Overall Dash Cam. Top pick. This is the one I'd recommend to most people. It gives you the best balance of price, performance, and features. The video is sharp, the night quality is reliable, and the overall experience feels complete. What really stood out to me is how dependable it is. It records clearly when it matters most. The wide-angle view captures everything around your car, which is great for busy roads. It also includes smart features like GPS, voice control, and solid parking protection. These are things you'll actually use, not just extras on paper. Sure, it's not the cheapest, but it gives you real value. If you want one dash cam that does it all without hassle, this is it. Backhand index pointing right. Check the description for the latest prices and deals before you buy. Final verdict. After testing these, the BOTSLAB G300 Plus stands out as the best overall pick. It gives you strong 4K performance, useful features, and great value for price. For most drivers, it's more than enough. If you want something more advanced, the VIOFO A229 Pro is the better choice. It's perfect for those who care about premium video quality and better night performance. Both are solid, but your choice depends on your budget and needs. If you want the best mix of price and features, go with BOTSLAB. If you want top-tier quality, go with VIOFO. Check the links in the description to see the latest prices and deals before you decide.